Hi everyone, here is Andrea Angela, and in this video I'd like to show you how to deconstruct a tuple in C#7. Here I have a console application targeting .NET Core. I've written using tuples in C#7. I have a method that called calculate that takes two integers x and y and returns a tuple with the sum and the product of those integers. And in the console application is actually calling the method and printing the sum and the product to the screen. Let's see what the result is. 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 by 3 is 6. As you can see, the calculate method returns a tuple that is assigned to a local variable called result, and we access the elements of the tuples using the dot notation, dot sum and dot product. The type of var is actually a tuple, and we can rewrite the type this way. So the result is a tuple of two integers called sum and products. But what happens if you remove the actual result type? The result is that the compiler call a deconstructor on the tuple and extract the individual values from the tuple and assign those into local variables, independent local variables. So as you can see now, the compiler is not happy anymore, and I can use sum and product directly, because now those are individual variables. So this should still compile, and you can see that the result is the same. Sum and product are actually two independent variables, and I can actually show that to you, creating those variables independently, and assume here there is a lot of code, and I don't need to specify the type anymore. So what I'm doing here, I'm deconstructing the tuple into sum and products and assign the results into two independent local variables. And this is basically how deconstructors works. Every single tuple can be deconstructed into its individual components in C#7.